Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head might be the name of a popular song from the past, but it's definitely not music to the ears of leaky condo owners in British Columbia. Hello, I'm lawyer Scott Taylor. Welcome to Under Appeal. If you happen to have a leaky condominium, getting good legal advice at the outset can be absolutely crucial.
The first piece of advice is that the owner should be working with their strata council, and the strata council has to focus on the fact that there is an obligation under the Strata Property Act to repair and maintain the common property of the building. So if it's leaking, that means that water is getting into the building envelope, which again is common property, at least initially. And so there's an obligation under the statute to fix the building. So this person should be working with their strata council to get the building fixed. Their next point is, in order to carry out that task, is to get very good building envelope advice. So they should be thinking about retaining the best engineer in the business to help them do that. We've unfortunately had to help people who have not gotten good advice, and they've wasted a lot of money with false starts on their repairs. So getting good building envelope advice is key here. Coincident with that, we recommend that they retain a lawyer who is familiar with this subject area as a member of their team. And the lawyer, of course, is not directly involved in the building envelope repairs, but is there to assist the strata council in dealing with such issues as the contract with the engineer, the tender package, which is prepared for bids by contractors to repair the building, and then, of course, to deal with disputes as may arise in the course of construction and before construction with the contractor.
Recently, there was a court decision in Delta affecting leaky condo owners in that municipality. But how does that court decision affect leaky condo owners in other municipalities in British Columbia?
The Delta decision is both good news and bad news for the leaky condo owner. If the owners are living in a municipality, in Delta obviously, or even the other municipalities, they may have an opportunity of making a successful claim against the municipality for failing to detect the deficiencies in the building as it was being constructed. The City of Vancouver is somewhat different in that the Vancouver Charter has an additional protective mechanism in it, a provision, which may prevent successful claims against her.
What about those responsible for creating the damage in the first place? Who should pay?
Buildings like this are complex buildings. They require complex design and complex construction techniques. And when a building envelope fails prematurely, then it usually is the result of a contribution from a number of different parties. And those parties include the designer, the constructors, and the inspectors associated with the construction. People who are suffering with a building envelope failure should consider getting legal advice as to whether or not they can advance a claim. Some people are discouraged early because they feel that the original parties involved are companies with few, if any, assets, the shell companies. People should not be discouraged entirely on that point, because often it's insurance companies who will settle these claims.
If you have a leaky condo, the best protection is good legal advice. If you need more information or have questions of your own, visit my website at www.underappeal.com. Until then, this is lawyer Scott Taylor saying, my hat's off to you. Until next time on Under Appeal.